second and 17th accused persons made an application for their release on bail board. The same is based on Article 49H of the Constitution, which states entirely, and I quote, an arrested person has the right to be released on bail or bond on reasonable conditions unless there are compelling reasons not to be released. The ODPP have not objected either to the application nor given any aggravating factors for imposing harsh bail or bond terms. As rightly pointed out, the main consideration is whether an accused person will appear in court or is a flight risk. In regard to the first accused person, he was required to and did deposit his passport with the EACC. He has a fixed place of abode and he is said to have been a prominent public figure, having held, among other positions, the position of a cabinet secretary as his last position in the year 2021-2022. The accused urged the court in imposing the bond terms not to be swayed by the amount in question, as there is no indication that he did personally benefit from the amounts in question. His income is currently said to be from his personal dues, today being the last working day of the week, and that the next working day will fall on 27th of December this year. They were overly concerned that a call for a pre-bail report would lengthen such process and prolong their stay in custody. The court is alive to the fact that the provisions as to bail board is not meant to keep an accused person in custody until the light bail or bond terms are determined in a lengthy process or his innocence is proved, but is meant to keep an accused person out of custody until the process finds him either guilty or otherwise. The accused persons raised a lot of emphasis on cash bail, and having taken everything into consideration, it is the finding of the court that none of the accused persons is a flight risk and that there are no aggravating factors to call for harsh bail or bond terms, irrespective of the amounts in question. Each of the first and second accused persons is admitted to a bond of 5 million with surety of like amount or a cash bail of 1 million. The 17th accused person, especially on account of age and health, is admitted to a bond of 3 million, surety of like amount, or a cash bail of 800,000. So, Council, we have the mention on 28th of this month for plea for the suspects in custody. The first, second, and 17th accused persons are exempted from attending on the mentioned date, and the accused persons will be supplied with witness statements and any other documentary or any evidence the ODPP wish to rely on.